Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in, open the Poshan Tracker app and enter your credentials. Once logged in, tap the profile icon at the top right to jump straight into account settings. Make sure location permissions are enabled in your device settings and check that you have a stable connection, 3G, 4G, or Wi-Fi. This prevents save errors. If prompted, re-authenticate with OTP. Doing this now avoids interruptions later and prepares the app to accept location changes. Now, select Edit Location in your profile settings to see current entries. You will either type the new district, block and village, or drop a GPS pin on the embedded map. Choose the method that gives the most precise placement. Use the search box for quick lookup or the drop-down menus for official codes. Once you enter details, verify spellings and codes. Incorrect codes cause mismatches. Save each field as you go to avoid losing changes if the app times out. Finish by tapping Save and watch for a confirmation banner or a reference ID. This proves the server accepted your update. Once done, reopen your profile or refresh the dashboard to verify the new location appears correctly. If the change doesn't show, clear the app cache, force close and retry on a stable network. Sometimes syncing lags. If problems persist, note the reference ID and contact Poshan support. Provide the ID, device model, and screenshots so they can resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.